In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view competitor Google Ads for free. We'll keep it straightforward and concise, aiming to equip you with the ability to access valuable insights about your competitors' advertising strategies. Whether you're in marketing, own a business, or are simply curious, being able to view this information can help you understand the landscape you're operating in and make informed decisions. To start, you'll want to head over to adstransparency.google.com. This is your gateway to a world of information about how businesses are leveraging Google Ads. By visiting this page, you'll be able to explore the Google Ads Transparency Center. Think of it as a database or a library that houses all sorts of information about different ads. Once you're on the site, the next logical step is to search for a competitor's domain. It can be any business out there that's running ads on Google. By inputting their domain name, you can access their advertising activities directly. This is crucial because it lets you see who you're up against and how they're positioning themselves to attract customers. After you've entered a domain, the site will reveal all the ads associated with that particular business. Here's where it gets exciting. You can view their ads across different platforms such as search, YouTube, and Google Shopping. This multi-platform visibility offers a holistic view of your competitors' strategies, showing you how and where they are targeting their audience. As you browse through the ads, take a moment to note down the variety of formats that are being employed. You'll find that some ads may appear as text, others as images or even videos. This diversity is key to understanding the tactical approaches your competitors are using to engage different parts of their audience. It's all about piecing together a puzzle to see the bigger picture. Furthermore, the transparency tool will allow you to see the most recent ads as well as how long they have been running. This time frame can be incredibly telling. For instance, an ad that's been running for several months might be a strong performer for them. On the flip side, recent ads can provide insight into new strategies or offers they are testing. Remember, the goal of this exercise is not just to spy on your competition, but to learn from them. Understanding their strategy helps you better position your own offerings in the market. By observing what works and what doesn't, you can iterate your own approach to ensure you're capturing the attention of your desired audience effectively. And there you have it, a simple and free method to stay ahead of the curve by understanding your competitors through their Google Ads. Utilizing these insights wisely can position you advantageously in your marketplace. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.